you idiot!
Hello friend, today I want to show my new dream project, Hardtail mountain bike build. This build is based on Genesis Latitude Reynolds 853 steel frame. This frame takes 26-inch wheels. If you're watching this video, most likely you are a fan of steel hardtails already, so I don't need to recommend it to you. Shall I just say, steel is real. The amount of flex, the comfort, the forgiveness of steel frame is really hard to compare to, say, likes of stiff alloy frames. And if you haven't had a chance to try riding steel mountain bikes, I highly recommend you to do so. You may never switch back to stiff alloy. On top of that, steel frames just look sexy with skinny tubing because of the strength of material and almost artistic welding. And as a bonus, steel frames are likely not to become a landfill because they're easily repairable. If you happen to break it in extreme situations, just take it to the welder and they will fix it for you in no time and you're back on trails again. In this overview, I don't really want to go in details of what exact components I've used and how much I spent. This is just a general overview of the color scheme and general choice of components. However, if you are interested in how much I spent on this project, just let me know in comment section. I may post another video. There is an interesting story to this purchase. I bought this bike from an older person who built this bike years ago and then he left the UK for work. And after he returned, he realized perhaps hardcore hardtail mountain bike is not the best choice for someone in his age, and he decided to sell it. However, the bike didn't sell instantly as he thought it would, and this is probably because the way it was put together, it just didn't look that appealing, even though the bike had top spec components like Shimano XDR, carbon fiber handlebars, stem and all the good stuff. It just didn't sell instantly. However, when I saw the ad, I knew what I wanted. I wanted the frame and I was determined to get the bike for the frame alone. And when I eventually went to collect, I was really positively surprised because all the components on the bike were nearly brand new. So I thought I'm going to actually make some money on this project because the bike had Shimano XDR 7-speed components in new condition, which must be really sought after nowadays, I thought. And that's exactly what happened. So I ended up stripping down the bike to bare frame, only left the frame and wheels for my project, and I sold everything else. So essentially I swapped Shimano XDR 7-speed components on Shimano XT 12-speed components, which is what I wanted with 1x12 drivetrain setup. So from the sales on eBay, I was able to fund the components of my choice, and that's the final result. I should really mention brakes here. At the first glance, they are just the standard Shimano SLX brakes with thin pads. But if we move on to brake levers, there is something different to them. As you can see, they have Z reservoir cover. So it's not the brake lever from Z, it's just a reservoir cover because I just simply didn't like silver SLX reservoir covers. It didn't work well with my color scheme, which is red frame, black components and silver details. Anyway, I guess enough me talking. I hope you're enjoying watching this project. Let me know if it's worth anything in comment section down below. Hit the like button if you like it, and I hope to see you on the next one. Cheers.